to my channel, where we unveil the most surprising money-making secrets with AI in 2023. If you're looking to supercharge your income using cutting-edge technology, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll reveal 5 mind-blowing secrets that will revolutionize the way you make money with AI. So, fasten your seatbelt and let's dive right in. Secret number 1. AI-powered trading. Our first secret is the incredible potential of AI-powered trading. Imagine having a virtual assistant that analyzes market trends, predicts stock movements, and executes trades on your behalf. With AI algorithms crunching massive amounts of data in real time, you can stay ahead of the game and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. We'll guide you step by step on how to set up your own AI trading system and maximize your profits. Secret number 2. AI-driven content creation. Get ready for our second mind-blowing secret, AI-driven content creation. Gone are the days of spending hours brainstorming ideas and struggling to create engaging content. AI can now generate compelling articles, blog posts, and even video scripts with just a few clicks. We'll show you the tools and techniques to leverage AI's creativity and take your content game to the next level. Secret number 3. AI-powered personalization. Brace yourself for secret number 3, AI-powered personalization. Did you know that AI can help you deliver personalized experiences to your customers, boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty? We'll walk you through the process of leveraging AI algorithms to understand your audience's preferences, tailor your offerings, and create hyper-personalized marketing campaigns that drive conversions like never before. Secret number 4. AI-enhanced customer service. Our fourth secret will revolutionize the way you handle customer service, AI-enhanced support systems. AI chatbots equipped with natural language processing can provide instant and accurate responses to customer queries, freeing up your time and resources. We'll guide you on implementing AI chatbots, ensuring that your customers receive exceptional support around the clock while you focus on growing your business. Secret 5. AI-optimized advertising. Get ready for the grand finale, AI-optimized advertising. With AI algorithms continuously learning and adapting, you can supercharge your ad campaigns and maximize your ROI. We'll reveal the secrets of AI-driven ad platforms that help you target the right audience, optimize your ad spend, and skyrocket your conversions. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven advertising. There you have it, the top 5 surprising money-making secrets with AI in 2023. We've unveiled the power of AI in trading, content creation, personalization, customer service, and advertising. Now it's time for you to take action and start implementing these secrets in your own ventures. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting tips, tricks, and secrets to help you thrive in the AI-driven era. Remember, the future is now, and with AI by your side, the possibilities are limitless. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep discovering and profiting with AI. If you enjoyed this video and found the secrets we shared valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Share your thoughts, questions, and success stories in the comments below. And remember, the AI revolution is here to stay, so embrace it and unlock your true money-making potential. See you in the next video.